So this is the RMA 453 battery lawnmower from Stihl. It has different heights of cut and easy to use to move it up and down. The batteries, it already has an AP500 in it, in here, and it has a space for you to put your spare battery in. Only needs one battery to use. Has a mulching option here, has side discharge as well, and just a great lawnmower for larger gardens. Press the button, pull the handle, and it has the drive option. This RMA 453 is available here at Fraser Robb's. We have new and we also have one on our demonstration fleet as well. A great product from the battery range at Stihl.